Hey guys, so I have been out of the loop. I have, and I am so sorry for not coming in and checking in with you guys, which I committed to do. I am committed to you guys. I'm committed to this YouTube channel. I love this channel. I love doing YouTube. So I did want to talk about where I've been, what's been going on in my life. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And where have I been? I do apologize, you guys. It has been really crazy for me. I wanted to come in and do an update for you guys. I have not forgot about my channel and my commitment to all of you. I have been extremely busy with Von Capri. We launched a new line for our planners, which shame on me for not having any to show you guys, but I'll do that. My daughter graduated from college. We put on a whole graduation for her. And I might upload a video of that. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna upload a video of her graduation, but we literally had a full-blown graduation for her because her school did not do anything for them. They just did something on the screen and whatnot and put their names up there, and the family was supposed to gather around the TV. But turns out my daughter's name didn't even show up there. So I'm glad we went on and did that. So that's been going on. A lot of personal decisions, a lot of things have been going on in my life personally. I'm not going to get into any of that, but I've just been extremely caught up with life. And I know you guys know what that's like, and I know that happens to all of you. But I did feel compelled to come on and say, you know, what I've been doing and what's been going on. I'm thinking about going back to school. I think I mentioned that to you guys before. I think I have decided to do that. I'm going to take my time with that. I am going to probably start, you know, next summer. You know how people, I mean, I've been kind of getting pressure to do it, but I still feel like I'm being pushed to go back and get my psych nurse practitioner. So I have decided that I am going to do that. I think I will take you guys on that journey with me. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. I'm also just really have not been in the headspace to continue to make videos to upload twice a week. So I've decided that I'm going to at least commit to one video a week. And I think I'll be doing that uploading that on Saturday. But I also don't really want to say on Saturday to upload because I might decide to upload it on another day. But I'm going to shoot for every Saturday, once a week for now, until I can get back in the routine of doing it twice a week. Then I'm going to do that. I'm going to try that. I am going to either do a Zoom, not a Zoom, I'm sorry, a live or upload. So that's what I'm going to do. You know, I know that I need to tell you guys that I appreciate your support. I appreciate you stopping in my channel. And I just am excited about all the new topics that I'm going to be talking about. Yeah, so I really miss you guys, and I totally appreciate you guys being here on this channel. Yeah, so that's what's been going on in my life. And I miss y'all. So hang in there with me, you guys. I will be back on a regular basis. So that is all that I have for you. Thank you so much for stopping by. What else has been going on? I did want to tell you guys about some new opportunities that I've gotten with some companies that have seen my channel online and have been asking me to do a couple things and do some consulting with them. So that's exciting. And I'm hoping that's not going to pull me too much from the channel, but I will still be here. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching again. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. Take care, guys.